Hi everyone, I am Dr. Amar Srivastava. Today I am going to talk about the most fertile period in a woman. If a woman has a cycle of 28 or 30 days, I will take an example of 30-day cycle. Then for 1 to 5 is the bleeding phase, 5 to 15 is the follicular phase, and 16 days is the ovulatory phase. For example, if a woman wants to get fertile or conceive a baby, she should do intercourse between 14 to 18 days because that is the most fertile period, 2 days before and after the ovulation. Okay, so here is an example of a woman having a 30 days menstrual cycle. If the first day is 1st April and the 30th day is the 30th April, then 2 to 5 days, that is around 2nd to 5th April is the bleeding phase, 5 to 15 days is the follicular phase, and 16 days, that is 16th April, is the ovulation day. That from the from 30th, last 14 days is always a constant, that is luteal phase is always a constant phase. 14 to 18 is the most fertile phase, that is 2 days before and after ovulation, because ovum lives around 24 to 48 hours and sperm lives around 48 to 72 hours. So if a sperm enters on 14 days, it can survive up to 15 or 16 days, that is 72 from the entry into the vaginal tracts or in the cervix. After that, in this period, the women or the couples should get intimate to get fertilization, and those who don't want to get fertilized, they should avoid this phase.